In this video, we will add the pickup system and also the money system as well. You will get to learn how you can add money, and then using that money how you can allow the player to buy different things. For example, in this course we are applying this to our rifles, but if you are making some other game, okay, and for example if you want the player to buy some clothes or shoes and you want to deduct the money for that, then you can use this system for that as well. So let's go ahead and add the futures. So first of all, right here in the scripts folder inside the player, let's create a new C# script by the name of player. Okay, and once you create that, go ahead and open it in Visual Studio or any text editor which you are using. Then at the top, let's create a header by the name of player money, and in here we will say public integer. Let's name this integer as player money. And now whatever value you assign to this variable will be the player bank balance. Save the script, get back to Unity, click on player, and right here let's assign this script, and let's give the player some value for the player money. For example, let's just say $400 or how many you want to give it. Okay, and now the player have the money. Now we want the player to spend the money on these rifles, okay, to buy that rifles. So for that we need the pickup system. Get back to the scripts. Then right here let's create a new folder by the name of pickup and inventory, and in here we will create the scripts for the pickup and inventory, but that is for the next video.